Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we're talking about something really exciting, travel English at the airport.
That's right. If you're traveling internationally, knowing what to say at the airport is super important. So let's imagine a conversation from arrival to boarding.
Sounds fun. First, when you enter the airport, you'll likely head straight to the check-in counter.
Yes, the staff usually says, "Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket, please?"
And you can reply, "Sure, here you go." Next, they might ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
If you have a suitcase, you can say, "Yes, I have one bag to check in." If not, just say, "No, I only have a carry-on bag."
Then comes the classic question. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? What do you usually prefer?
I always go for the window seat. You can simply reply, "A window seat, please." Or if you like the aisle, say, "An aisle seat, please."
Once that's done, the staff hands you your boarding pass. They'll say something like, "Here's your boarding pass. Gate 12. Boarding starts at 2 p.m."
And of course, don't forget to say thank you. Then it's time for the security check.
At security, you might hear, "Please place your bags on the conveyor belt and remove your laptop." Sometimes they'll also ask you to take off your shoes and belt.
Right. After that, you can head to your gate. You might hear an announcement like, "Attention all passengers on flight 305 to Paris. Please proceed to gate 12 for boarding."
At the gate, just show your boarding pass and passport again. The staff might greet you with, "Have a pleasant flight."
And you can reply, "Thank you," or "Thanks, you too."
Once you board the plane, the flight attendants will guide you to your seat. Later, they might ask, "Would you like something to drink?" or "Chicken or vegetarian meal?"
Exactly. And if you need help, just say, "Excuse me, could you help me with my bag?"
Such simple phrases, but very useful when traveling. Knowing these can make your airport experience smooth and stress-free.
Definitely. And practicing them in advance will make you feel more confident.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this helpful for your next journey.
Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next episode. Bye.
We're seeing a noticeable shift in consumer preferences across several sectors. What seems to be driving this change?
It appears to be a combination of factors, including greater awareness of sustainability issues and a growing demand for personalized experiences.